Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to apply coupon on Shein. So first of all, launch open Shein application. You can see over here Shein application has been opened. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So first of all, make sure to add the item to the cart. After you do that, what you have to do is simply tap on the cart icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the cart interface. Tap on the items that you would like to purchase. Now tap on this option checkout that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the checkout interface. Make sure to select the shipping address and shipping method over here. Now scroll down. Now right over here you'll be able to find this option for apply coupon. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to apply the coupons. If you have the coupons available, you'll be able to see all of them over here. Simply tap on the coupon that you would like to apply. Or if you have the coupon code, what you have to do is tap on this option apply coupon. Now once you do that, what you have to do is enter your coupon code over here. Now tap on this option apply that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here the coupon will be applied and you'll be able to get certain amount of discount. Now you can simply proceed to checkout. After you do that, the order will be placed with the coupon code applied. So that is how you apply coupon on Shein. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.